So, does weed get better with age? I don't mean with a few weeks of curing after it's harvested. That's standard stuff. I mean, do buds get better if you store them long term, the way wine or cigars do? As my regular viewers know, there are ways to store cannabis so that it stays relatively fresh and potent for months or even longer. I'll link to my episode on that in the description. But can it get better if you keep it long enough? Well, it depends on how you define better. If you mean more potent, then the answer is no. There is just no way to do that. If you want to make weed more potent, you need to not only keep the trichome glands on it from degrading, but you have to increase their numbers, or how much THC they're carrying. That's impossible to do with just storage. People who go all out, cure their weed just right, and then lock it down in a sealed jar or a vacuum bag can slow this degrading way down, but they can't stop it. So, more potent weed with time is out. It's an old stoner myth. Then there's those who say, well, yeah, but it has a better smell or flavor to it, or the nature of the high changes with storage. The smell and flavor thing can be true. Like with many herbs, storing weed can impact smell and flavor, and sometimes positively. But I don't know how important those things are to most people. As for the nature of the high, while the weed is in storage, the ratio of THC to the other cannabinoids, including to the ratio of CBD, is slowly changing, which, given enough time, changes the nature of the high, meaning how it affects you, not how powerful it is. Some people consider that to be making the weed better, but as you guys can tell, it's really just making the weed different. And there's much faster ways to get different highs than by using long-term storage, like buying different strains from month to month. And that's all I have to say about that. On that note, guys, we'll see you next time. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and the like button if you found today's show useful. See you next time on Lex's World.